Good morning, students. Today we will discuss natural resources. What do you mean by natural resources? All the materials which are provided by the nature for the betterment of human beings, which are useful for the human beings, for us, are known as resources. The resources of energy can be divided into two categories. Number one, non-renewable resources, or these non-renewable resources also known as exhaustible resources. The resources which will exhaust or end up by continuous using. If we continue use them, they will end up after some time. Such kind of resources are known as non-renewable resources because they end up at time. These are known as exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources, for example, are fossil fuels. The fossil fuel, no doubt, they will make again, but the formation of the fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, natural gases, these are the example of non-renewable sources and fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, formation of fossil fuel, it takes too long time, millions of years. So they will end up after some time. That is the need in such the other alternative sources of energy. These alternative sources of energy are also known as non-conventional sources of energy. What we call it? Non-conventional sources of energy. Non-conventional sources of energy, these are renewable. They can be renewed after some time. So because they renew again and again, that's why these are also known as inexhaustible resources. They will never end up, right? So these are known as non-renewable or inexhaustible resources or non-conventional. Examples of the non-renewable resources are: number one, wind energy. Wind energy, we use wind, wind blowing. So wind rotate the windmills. We set up the windmills, and windmills when rotate, it rotate the turbines and generate the electricity, which is used to cooling the water, irrigation purpose, and supply the electricity. Next one, solar energy. Nowadays solar panel set up on the roof of the houses. We set up and also all the government offices, there is a provision to set up the solar panel to generate the electricity. This electricity can be used, this solar energy can be used to warm the water, to heat the water, as well as to generate the electricity. Next one, tidal energy. You know well, there is tides up and down in the ocean level, and it causes the tidal energy. When we set up the turbines at the tidal zone, then when ocean level, water of ocean level up and down, it will rotate the turbines, and these turbines, it will generate the electricity. Like this one in ocean, wave energy, strong waves will rotate the turbines, and these turbines will generate the electricity. Like this one, water hydel energy. In our Chambal River in Rawat Bhata, just nearby us, Rawat Bhata, Maharana Pratap Sagar. At this place, the water from the height, water is allowed to fall from the height. It will generate the electricity because as the water fall from the height, it rotate the turbines and generate the electricity. This is known as hydel power. So these are the some energy alternatives use of the energy. Extensively use of non-renewable resources or conventional resources, it leads to the energy crisis, a problem of the energy crisis. How can we overcome from this energy crisis? To overcome energy crisis, we should judiciously use our natural resources. जो भी अवेलेबल है उनको जुडिशियली यूज किया जाए. हाउ कैन वी यूज? नंबर 1, प्रिवेंटिंग वेस्टेज ऑफ द फ्यूल इन किचन. We should use highly efficient stoves, highly efficient chulhas in the kitchen, so that the entire heat can be used. And vehicles also, there should be high energy, high efficiency vehicles. पहले देखें, पहले गाड़ियों का माइलेज काफी कम होता था, बट nowadays the mileage increase due to increase in the technology. Next one, lighting the stove only after all the required items should be prepared. क्या करें? किचन में खाना बनाना है, सब्जियों का सब काट लिया जाए, उसके बाद में फूड को लाया जाए. राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, क्लीनिंग द स्टोव, चूल्हा रेगुलरली एंड सर्विसिंग देम. यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल ट्रांसपोर्ट. Next one, switching off of the fan and electricity when there is no need. In this way, we can use our conventional resources, our energy resources judiciously.